So I learned this technique from one of my teachers. So just sit comfortably on the floor or wherever you want to be comfortable, sitting, lying down, whatever you need to do. So just taking a few deep cleansing breaths, maybe just releasing any anxiety out, deep breath. Because you don't know you hold it. And center yourself. And I want you to think about something that you love. Again, it could be a pet in this instance, a young child, a place in nature. So think of something that you love, that you can create the emotion of love. What you would not want to do is just thinking about, I love being in nature, I love being in nature. It's more bringing up how you feel, the feelings that you get when you love something, someone. And I want you to imagine that you have a sphere in your hands, an empty sphere. And when you think about bringing up that emotion of love, I want you to project that into the sphere and fill it. And as you sit and breathe, you're going to fill the sphere with that emotion of love. It can come through your hands into the sphere. It can come through your heart space into the sphere. Or however you feel it getting in there is the right way for you. You can do this technique with your eyes open or closed or whatever is comfortable for you. I may have mine open at the moment because it's just more comfortable for me. So filling the sphere with love. You continue to sit and do that until you feel that it's full. And when you feel that this sphere is full, I want you to take it in your hands and I want you to put it down into the earth. We're going to drop it down into the center of the earth and we're going to send love to the earth, to Gaia, or to the mother, or whatever you like to call it. And then you sit and you wait and she will send it back to you. And you sit as long as you need to for that to happen and she always sends it back. You could feel that come up through your feet, through your root chakra, or where you're sitting. And then you hold another sphere. We're going to do it again. And we're going to fill another sphere full of love. Again, bringing yourself back to whatever that is, that image is, or the thing that you love, that creates love for you, the emotion, and let it fill again. You're going to fill another one. And when you feel that that sphere is full and ready, we're going to send this one up to the sun. And we're just going to lift that up and send that to the sun. Or to the universe. Whatever feels right for you. And then we're going to sit and wait. And it'll come back to you. And usually you feel that coming down through the top of your head or through your shoulders. And when that's completed, we're going to do one final sphere. You hold another sphere in your hands, and we're going to fill one more sphere with love. And when you feel ready and you feel that this sphere is full, this sphere of love is for you. And we're going to take this sphere and we're going to put this right into our heart. This one's for us. So now we have a triangle of love. We're grounded, we're connected, and we have self-love. And then we sit here. And this is the starting point. This is how you create that space for yourself, for your pet. It's a great way of starting any meditation or anything that you're going to do in life, or even to start your day. But this is what helped me be in that space and hold that for my pets when they were crossing. So it just, yes, other emotions come in, but you have that connection here going on. And it's always there. And you can get right back to it very quickly. And the more you do this meditation, it'll go faster. Spheres will fill faster. And it can be very quick. Or you can take a long time and enjoy it. But I hope this is useful. Thank you.
Well, that was basically delicious. So thank you so much, Tonya. And I really hope you guys, wherever you are, get some benefit from it. Don't think you're doing it wrong. Just do it. No grades at all. So again, bye for now.